Imagine cracking open an egg for breakfast. And instead of one yolk, you find two. At first, it feels like a bonus. Two for the price of one. But here's the part most people don't realize. That egg wasn't supposed to exist. It's not just rare. It's actually a biological mistake. A glitch inside a hen's body. Where timing breaks, hormones misfire. And the system that's supposed to produce one perfect egg suddenly produces two, trapped inside a single shell. And what's even stranger? In massive egg factories across America and Europe, machines are actively scanning, sorting, and sometimes removing these eggs before they ever reach you. So what's really going on inside that shell? Why do double yolk eggs happen? And why do they almost never turn into twin chicks? Let's crack it open. When you crack open an egg and find two yolks instead of one, it can feel unusual, almost like a mistake in nature. But in biological terms, this is not a mystery or anomaly beyond explanation. It is a well-understood variation in the reproductive physiology of hens. To understand how a double yolk egg forms, we need to examine the internal reproductive system of the hen, where egg formation is not a simple event, but a highly coordinated biological process involving hormones, cellular development, and precise timing mechanisms. A chicken's reproductive system is designed for efficiency and repetition. Under normal conditions, it produces approximately one egg per day. This consistency is achieved through a tightly regulated cycle controlled by endocrine signaling between the brain and reproductive organs. The process begins in the ovary, where thousands of potential ova exist in the form of developing follicles. These follicles are arranged in a strict size hierarchy, with only the most mature follicle being selected for ovulation at any given time. This hierarchical arrangement ensures that egg production remains orderly and sequential. Each follicle contains a developing yolk. Unlike mammalian eggs, avian yolks grow gradually over time, accumulating lipids, proteins, and nutrients drawn from the hen's bloodstream. This growth process is regulated by hormones, primarily estrogen, which influences nutrient deposition and follicle maturation. As follicles grow, they move through stages of development until one becomes dominant. This dominant follicle is the one that will be released during the next ovulatory cycle. Ovulation in hens is controlled by a precise hormonal cascade. The brain releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, which stimulates the pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone. This luteinizing hormone surge is the critical trigger that causes the mature follicle to rupture and release the yolk into the reproductive tract. Under normal physiological conditions, this system ensures that only one follicle reaches full ovulatory readiness at a time. The result is a single yolk being released per cycle, which then travels into the oviduct to be processed into a complete egg. However, this system is not absolutely rigid. It is highly regulated, but still biological, meaning it operates within a range of variability. It is within this variability that double yolk eggs originate. A double yolk egg forms when two follicles reach near maturity at nearly the same time. This can occur when hormonal timing slightly overlaps, causing two follicles to respond to the same luteinizing hormone surge. Instead of a single ovulation event, two yolks are released within a very short time window. Once released, both yolks enter the infundibulum, the upper section of the oviduct responsible for capturing the yolk after ovulation. From this point forward, the system treats both yolks as part of a single continuous process. The oviduct itself is a highly specialized structure divided into functional regions. After the infundibulum, the yolk moves into the magnum, where layers of albumin, or egg white, are deposited around it. Then it passes into the isthmus, where membrane layers are formed. Finally, it enters the uterus, also known as the shell gland, where the hard calcium carbonate shell is constructed. In a normal egg, this process occurs around a single yolk. In a double yolk egg, both yolks are enclosed within the same sequence of processing steps. There is no biological mechanism within the oviduct to separate or reject one yolk once it has entered the system. As a result, both yolks become encapsulated within a single shell structure. The formation of the shell itself takes approximately 18 to 20 hours. Calcium carbonate is deposited in layers, forming a rigid protective structure around the internal contents. Because the system does not extend shell formation time significantly for double-yolk cases, the resulting egg may experience structural differences compared to a standard egg. These differences can include increased size, slightly altered shape, and variations in shell thickness. The internal distribution of albumin and membranes also adjusts to accommodate the presence of two yolks instead of one. This creates a denser and more spatially constrained internal environment. From a mechanical perspective, double-yolk eggs represent a deviation from the optimal single-structure design of the avian egg formation system. However, this deviation is not harmful to the hen. It is simply a result of overlapping developmental timing. The likelihood of producing a double-yolk egg is not constant throughout a hen's life. It is influenced by age and hormonal stability. Young hens, particularly those that have just begun laying eggs, are more likely to produce double-yolk eggs. At this stage, their endocrine system is still stabilizing, and follicular selection mechanisms are not fully optimized. This increases the probability that two follicles may mature simultaneously. During the peak laying period, hormonal regulation becomes more stable and synchronized. As a result, ovulation cycles become highly consistent, and double-yolk occurrences become rare. In older hens, however, hormonal regulation may begin to fluctuate again, slightly increasing variability in follicle maturation and occasionally leading to irregular ovulation patterns. Industrial egg production systems have developed methods to identify and sort eggs based on size, weight, and internal structure. As eggs move along high-speed conveyor systems, they are subjected to automated grading processes. The first stage of sorting is typically based on mass. Because double-yolk eggs contain two yolks, they are generally heavier than standard eggs and are often classified into larger size categories. More advanced systems utilize optical scanning techniques, often referred to as candling. In this process, high-intensity light is passed through the egg, allowing internal structures to be visualized without breaking the shell. Single-yolk eggs produce a characteristic shadow pattern, while double-yolk eggs produce two distinct internal formations that can be detected by imaging systems. Modern facilities may also use machine learning algorithms trained on large datasets of egg images. These systems can identify subtle variations in internal structure with high accuracy, allowing for automated detection and classification of double-yolk eggs within industrial production lines. Depending on production goals, double-yolk eggs may either be separated for specialty markets or redirected into processed food manufacturing, where uniformity is less critical. From a nutritional standpoint, double-yolk eggs are not fundamentally different from regular eggs. They contain increased quantities of the same components, including proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The difference is primarily quantitative rather than qualitative. In culinary applications, double-yolk eggs can contribute increased richness due to the higher yolk content, which affects texture and flavor in certain recipes. However, their nutritional composition remains consistent with standard eggs when adjusted for size. An interesting biological question arises when considering fertilization. In theory, each yolk in a double-yolk egg has the potential to be fertilized independently. This is analogous to fraternal twinning in mammals, where two separate ova are fertilized separately. However, in practice, successful development of embryos in double-yolk eggs is extremely rare. The internal environment of a single egg is optimized for the development of one embryo. Oxygen availability, spatial constraints, and nutrient distribution are all calibrated for a single developing organism. When two embryos begin to develop simultaneously, they face significant limitations. Competition for resources and restricted physical space make successful development difficult. Even in cases where both embryos begin forming, the likelihood of both surviving to hatching is extremely low. This demonstrates an important principle in developmental biology: biological systems are optimized within specific functional boundaries. When those boundaries are exceeded, the system may still function, but with reduced efficiency or viability. Rare cases of eggs containing more than two yolks have also been documented. These include triple-yolk and even higher multi-yolk eggs. These occurrences follow the same underlying mechanism, multiple follicles reaching maturity in close temporal proximity. However, as the number of yolks increases, structural stability decreases, and the likelihood of successful development becomes even lower. There are also extremely rare anomalies in which eggs form within other eggs, a condition resulting from disruption in the normal directional movement of the oviduct. In such cases, a partially formed egg may be enveloped by additional layers of albumin and shell material, resulting in a nested structure. These events are highly uncommon and represent extreme deviations in reproductive processing. Despite these variations, the fundamental system remains highly reliable. The vast majority of eggs produced follow a consistent developmental pathway resulting in a single yolk enclosed within a standardized shell structure. From a biological perspective, double-yolk eggs are best understood as temporal synchronization events within the ovarian cycle. They occur when the timing of follicular maturation overlaps sufficiently to produce multiple ovulations within a narrow time frame. They are not errors in design, but expressions of natural variability within a complex endocrine-controlled system. When viewed at scale, across thousands of hens and millions of eggs, these variations form a statistically predictable pattern. Double-yolk eggs are rare, but not random. They are emergent outcomes of a system that is precise, but not absolute.